Hi box buddies, this is Jeannie with Batman's Boxes. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing a 5 to 9-year-old boy, and this is a repair, demolish, repeat theme. So let's get started and see what's inside. So the first thing he will see when he opens his box is this. And right on top I have his clothes, and I have some of these, they're upside down, Hot Wheels sweatbands. I'm going to move my box to my chair. And this is the shirt that I've given him. And to go with his shirt, he has a pair of long black pants. I think I got these in Walmart, probably when they were closing out the winter clothes. He also has a little soap, 4 little travel size soaps. He has a Cars puzzle, and I did leave it in the bag because that is a resealable bag. He has 2 pair of undies, 1 pair of gray socks. I think I have another one in here somewhere. He has a checker set. He has a pencil pack, and in here he has quite a few pencils, but I think the majority of them are Hot Wheel themed. And I've also given him 4 of the markers, and then some regular pencils and some pens. He also has an Old Navy ball. He has a whistle, and that is a Hot Wheel lanyard. He has a pack of colored pencils, a pencil sharpener, a fidget spinner, and he has lots of erasers. These actually were some Marvel erasers. I got it in a big pack, but the lightning for speed. And then the little tool ones I got at the Target spot. And I think it was Julie from Canvas Heart Shoeboxes that showed it to us. And then some pencil toppers. But thank you, Julie. And if you haven't checked out her channel, you should go and check it out. She's a new YouTuber. I think she's a new packer. He has some crayons. Oh, another pair of socks. These are some SpongeBob socks. Some glue sticks. And a washcloth. He has a yo-yo. He has a toothbrush and a comb, and this is a big one. I also got this one, and then I'll put in a different one of these cellophane bags from the Dollar Tree that came with a cap, and it's a Hot Wheels one. And I like to include both sizes for the 5 to 9. He has a water bottle, and this is one of the narrow water bottles, so I didn't put too many things in here. Oh, I think the only thing I did put in here was his flashlight, because they're very hard to get out, you know, get the items out if you shove them in there. He also has a Hot Wheeled play pack. And I gave him 3 sets of these. They're not Legos, they are Dollar Tree Legos, but I think it's similar to the city Legos. And this one is a motorcycle with a street light. This one is a gas station with a motorcycle. And this one is a bench with like a park bench or something. So I did give him those. And these I found a while back in Dollar Tree. These are, and I took this one out, but then the other 2 I did not because the instructions are on the back, so I had to cut this one out. But this is for cars, and this is the car repair little set. This one is the car wash, and see the instructions are on the back. And this one is the auto services one. So I did leave those in here, and I'm gonna go around this side. And he really does have a nice wow item in here. I found this at Kohl's, and when I took the label off, the packaging, it said $9.99. I know I didn't pay $9.99 for this, but it is really nice. And this is one of the cars that it came with. This one I switched out because the other car had a basketball on it, and I probably could use it for one of my sports box. So I switched that out, and then this one has stickers. So I'm gonna put those, well, let me just hold on a minute here. He has a chapstick and his nail file and clipper. A couple of bracelets. Now I'll go around this way. And this actually, this springs back. You pull it back and they can race. So if you see, this one will fold out, and then the tracks are way on the bottom. But let me see if I can figure this out. I guess I'll stay on that side. And so I found a bunch of these cars at the Dollar Tree, believe it or not, and they are really cute to go with this theme, because they all have some kind of service, car service. This one is service and parts, and if you look inside, it actually has all the service parts in there. This one is, what does that say? This one says Body Shop. And you'll also need a flatbed. Wow, that's a good catch. To tow the Demolish cars, and I'll show you those in a minute. This one is the tire truck. I guess they bring the tires to the service shop. You might need a tow truck. And a while back, Walgreens had buy one, get one 75% off on toys, and there were certain ones included. So Hot Wheels were included. So I got this one that was a Demolition series. And if you look and see, the car is, oh my gosh, sorry. I'll pick that up in a minute. Yeah, so that's the Demolition series. That one's crashed. And this one, I don't think this one was included, but it looks kind of demolished. So I included that one. And then this was the other one that was included in that demolition series. It says salvage on it. And I don't know if I used the other ones. I really don't remember. But you can repair it, demolish it, and repeat. And that will make, those three things will make one set, and then with the extra Legos, this young man can, you know, make a little city. And I've included some of these little Lego people. These could be the race car drivers. These guys could be the body shop people or the car wash people. At the Derby, this guy could be the referee. And when they race the cars, she could be the flag girl. I also included a cross necklace and one of the finger rings that light up. And here's the tracks that go onto this, and you fold it here and then kind of stick it on like that, and then they can race. So I thought that was perfect to go with this kind of city scene. And I did put his backpack here because I forgot to include it in the box. So I left it there so I wouldn't when I repacked it. I also left, of course, the instructions inside. He has a foldable Frisbee. One of these trucks puzzles from Harbor Freight. He has some Hot Wheel tattoos. A Hot Wheel coloring book and a red notebook. These are the instructions. Let's move those guys over there. And I could not for the life of me find any Hot Wheel stickers at all. So I decided to buy these. These are the BAM Crash. I thought that would be totally appropriate for a derby. And then I gave him some religious stickers as well. I did give him some chalk. Oh, his little plush was way on the bottom. I didn't have a whole lot of room for a big plush. And I gave him the Bengal tiger because they're fast and they'll be racing. And the last cutest little thing I put in here is this little Mario play mask. Mario races cars, so I thought that would be cute to put in here. And then there's the backpack. So I hope you enjoyed my video. This is my repair, demolish, repeat, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.